Hey guys, it's me Atharv and welcome back to our channel Gossipfunda. So in this video we are going to fix the issue of incoming calls not showing on full screen. So let's get started. First of all, try restarting your device. In most such cases, restarting only fixes the issue. So hold your power button and then do restart. After restarting, if still the phones are not showing on full screen, then do this. Go to your phone settings. In settings, search for do not disturb. So go to do not disturb and make sure that it's turned off because it disables the notification display over other apps. Now after doing this, check if your phone's default app has notification access. So go to your phone settings and go to app management. Now in this, search for app list. After the app list is open, search for your default phone app. Now go to this phone app, click on manage notifications and check if all the notifications are allowed. Now go to the phone manager app and do the same thing. Go to notifications and click on allow all notifications. After doing this, make sure that your phone's default app has access to display over other apps. So go to settings, go to app management and click on display over other apps. After this, check if the phone's app you have given the access to the phone app to display over other apps. After doing this, try cleaning the cache memory of the phone app. Go to settings, search for the app list, go to the phone default phone app, go to storage usage and clear all of the cache data. Now force stop the app and close it. And this should solve your issue. Don't forget to check out our blog for latest technology update. Link will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video if this was helpful.